Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
This is my used first container from my fridge. So it's right at the end of it now. So using up some organic pumpkin and some zucchini, carrot, bit of ginger. There's some garlic pieces. There's more garlic in this plastic bag as well. And a red bell pepper or capsicum and an onion. So I'm going to turn this into a soup, and I'm going to add some lentils to that as well. So the leftovers that I used up is now cooked down, and you can either serve this as a delicious chunky curry or blend it up into a smooth soup, a pumpkin curry soup. So it's very versatile and quick and easy to make, and a great way to use up leftovers. So this is what I've done with the leftovers. I've made a delicious pumpkin and lentil curry, and it just smells absolutely delicious. I can't wait to get into this. And I've topped it with some coconut yogurt. So there you go, leftovers used up out of my use first container, and I'm now ready to buy some new veggies for the week and can make whatever I like for the rest of the week as well. So I've got some leftovers of this curry too, so I'll probably freeze a portion, or I might just put it in a container and maybe have it for my lunch tomorrow. So I hope that idea gives you some inspiration and that you start using your use first container as well. Enjoy.